Welcome to HashiCorp Live on Twitch, where we have our very own Glimmerman. Say hey.
Hey.
Come and hang out with us as we code our way through challenges and have some fun with some games.
We're going to go ahead and try to get a Minecraft server started up.
Stay with us during the bad times.
It's just rough today.
And celebrate our wins during the good times.
Can I just say on a couple of notes, just woo! Just on, the first time MC, and then on the HashiCorp ambassador again, woo! Yeah.
And let's not forget the mistakes and pepcaks.
It is API.
No, it's project-API. You've been pushing to project-API. Oh no, you're V.
Fixed it. Doesn't count.
This is fun. This is community. This is HashiCorp Live.